Car looks on. Put it in drive. And it doesn't move. Not moving. Turn it off. Turn it back on. I'm getting the shakes.